Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, guys, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash the like button. If you found any kind of value, make sure to subscribe too. Because, guys, as you can see, and if you don't like, if you're new here, we do a lot of videos like this every single day. And when I say a lot, I mean like 10 to 15 videos per day. So make sure to subscribe. And also, today, make sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any. And today we're going to be talking about Mmat. You already know the deal, okay? Metamaterials. What do we have to say about metamaterials today, okay? I have some new things to discuss. First of all, I will be giving you the technical analysis. What are my thoughts about this? Where we are at to the markets, where is the bottom, and so on and so on. And okay, guys, so then I will be talking about my actual thoughts about this. We're gonna be like talking about something like this. I want to discuss some things and so good. I have some articles that I want to reach to you guys. So I'm pretty excited for this video. Okay, make sure to like the video and let's just keep on going. Okay, guys. So as you can see right here, metamaterial yesterday closed at 319. Okay, we were down like 0.31 or approximately 8.86% to the downside. It is what it is. Another red day. We can be just when I said like we have been just continue this pattern like to the downside. It is what it is. As you can see, if you go to the line chart, this is how it looks like. But with the whole wicks and shit, we touched this line right here, which kind of like predicted my prediction right here, and like we will see about what will be happening. And I know at the moment that it's like reckless to talk about like for me every day to talk about average down and average down. Like it's reckless because we have been falling like every day, and I think that we are going to be continue to fall. Also, I have a pretty beautiful buy zone right around here, which I think that the most of my shares or most of my money will be going into metamaterials. Okay, I have a lot of buy limits right here, buy orders, and also I will not be surprised if you just go and like bounce off of this area around 150ish. Okay, so this is my bottom. And just look, guys. Okay, it's like reckless and clueless for me to tell where is the bottom is and where you should put all your buy limits. But this is just my opinion, and just keep in mind that this is just and it's not financial advisor or anything like that. Okay, this is just my opinion. Just keep that in mind. And why do I think that the most of the price will be bouncing off of this level? Because I think, look, we are gonna be being in kind of a like retest area. If you come up right here, go to the high moment, you will see that let's just go to the higher time frames. For example, we are gonna be retesting this higher right here from this on the weekly chart, or just in case. And I have this kind of a higher lower strategy, or it's an indicator that like automatically tells you where the higher and the higher low is. So I think that we're going to be coming like right around this area right here, because you can see this area is pretty volatile too, and we will see what will be happening with that. But just keep in mind that we are really far away from that. I mean, from right now to the first area that we are like 20% down away from that. Then the second stop that we have, and that I think is the caption marks the bottom. It may not be, but we will see. The model may be right around here. Nobody knows, okay? And again, I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so I know it's not okay for me to talk about the bottom, but yeah, okay? And the second stop is right around like 50% down. You know, a lot of people are really down at this point and at this moment, but it is what it is. I think that where do you think that the actual bottom is? That's where you are going to be putting a lot of your own money in, okay, and so on and so on. Because I don't know, okay, to be honest, I don't know, and nobody knows. But this is just kind of my prediction and what I think that will be happening. And when we are here right into the weekly chart, you can see for the past 4 weeks or for the past full month right here, we have been like going to the downside, and now we're starting the 5th week. We will see what will be happening with that, guys. Again, we haven't like really pushing to the downside when TRCH kind of skyrocketed on its chart. Now metamaterials is just kind of going down without the merger and all the good stuff. But like what I really want to talk about is that nothing wrong, like it's nothing wrong with averaging down, okay? But what people need to realize is that it might not go up for a long time, and just you need to keep that in mind. And I think it will. But any money you put in now is either it needs to be money you can stand or lose, and you do not need, like, okay, you can stand to lose and you don't need them, okay? and they need the cash more than they need to appease a bunch of degenerated short-term speculation traders. Okay, and I think that at the moment the paper hands are shaken out. Let's just hope that. And right now all the diamond-handed people are right around here, and yeah, that's about it. And also what I want to talk about is that a speculative consideration of a price movement. And this is what I saw. Someone wrote about it. Okay, he says, I know it's from the free leadership somewhere on Reddit. I saw about it, and he said that to preface this post, I'll just say it's nothing more than a thought I had. As a psychologist, I often look for patterns and try to infer motives. Okay, as such, the following is likely flawed and other interruptions are bound. I keep an eye on the price movements of AMC and GME and MMAT. Okay, he said about that. Over time, they've been tracking very closely. If I had the time, I would do some like statistical analysis to look to direct the correlations and stuff. That apparent correlation broke yesterday on 20th of July. This deviation correlate of the prevailing pattern made me curious. The following thoughts came to my mind. Why would this shift happen? And how could it benefit short hedge funds? Possibly this shifts know that MMAT is due for a spike in price, with due diligence also suggesting such they may need to keep people away from MMAT to keep its price as low as possible for when the suggested T35 will kick in, like NII GGS merger. The lower they can get the price before then, the cheaper it will be for any shorts closing positions that may have to happen. The break with correlation with AMC and GME may also work to convince people that MMAT is not in the same illegally shorted basket as these manipulated stocks as AMC and GME. He says, and so will not squeeze. It is also cheaper to keep hammering MMAT than GME and AMC because it's at a lower price and it's cheaper to short this. Okay, that's what he's trying to say. And AMC and GME are basically runway trains for hedge funds at this point, so the strategy we're dealing with them is likely to differ from the more unknown MMAT. Hammering MMAT so much maybe to prevent it from also becoming a runway train. This may explain why MMAT did not have a recovery along with the big two meme stocks yesterday, because a recovery and FOMO could make this stock blow up, making MMAT more important to keep down because AMC and GME have already blown up. In summary, MMAT has huge squeeze potential. It is a brilliant and promising long-term hold, and there is no way this stock is going to zero. It will raise, and I will be buying and holding because I like the stock. Beautiful words from this guy. He's from free_leadership 5261. And he says that of course this is not financial advice, and this is just a rumblings of a tinfoil hat psychologist, and all we need is a catalyst. I'm sure it should call the paper hands away by now, and spring is coiled up and ready to jump. I know, right? That's the good thing about the dips. If it happens again and again and again, both of the paper hands and the diamond hands became more concerned, this shit's gonna pop. Okay, pretty beautiful words from that. I don't have some cuss words and all this stuff, but then I have right here some one thing about them, which I want to read this to you guys, which is pretty important for me. Okay, so make sure to keep on going. And if you do not understand, because in the comment section below, a lot of people do not understand me, just turn in the captions. It's automatic, so yeah, make sure to go turn it up, and let's just keep on going. So it is clear the naked shorts have gone nuclear on MMAT, as they could confuse retail with news, articles, FUD, dividend, etc. AIM's delay of the complete merger of TRCH MMAX MMAATF to a MMAT. So feel sad for the retail who have succumbed to debt and sold into the discounted wedge till today, because we can be kind of pushing to the downside, right? So that is what MMAs, hedge funds, and PMs do: scare you to make you sell your precious shares cheap. That's how they want to do, and that's how they make money, right? So remember it. So it is on a threshold list to since 7th or 2nd forced covering begins. This is from 2nd of July, I guess. So covering begins on the 13th day being on the list. Should fall this July 22nd. This is the same as the T plus 21 from the first fails. The coming Wednesday, July 28th, will be for any spillover fails, or like said, T plus 2 of the Friday. Squeezes on for sure. Buy, hold, and it will explode. I have nothing to lose by holding. I'm eyeing on off the below, and T plus 21 from June 28th, the merger like particularly complete of the July 22nd, or the T plus 21 from July 16th or 16th, the merger full complete. It's all like exactly at August 11th, okay? And I also give 2 grace days to those dates. So the dates that all this says, if you did not understand a thing, because I know it may be hard when I'm reading this because there are a lot of T plus 2 and all this stuff. So all he's trying to say is that the squeeze is for sure, or he's trying to suggest that you should buy and hold, which is not the actual financial advice. And the 2 days that you should focus on is the July 22nd and the August 11th, okay? For the merger full complete and the merger partially complete. The merger partially complete is on the July 22nd or tomorrow, and the merger full complete is on August 11th, okay? These are the 2 days that you want to focus on. And guys, this is basically for the day. Let me know what are your thoughts about this. Make sure to like, subscribe, because I will be keeping you updated with Mmat and all the other cryptos and stocks that are on my channel. So guys, peace out, turn on the bell notification, and I love every single one of you. Love y'all.